guess what I got? I got my HelloFresh box. This is my third box that I got. I want to say thank you guys for whoever has clicked my referral link. I have it down below. Every time you guys click my referral link, I get a credit, and I love to share with you guys new recipes. The one thing I love about HelloFresh, okay, I'm gonna give you guys the heads up right now. It's expensive. I would never pay full price for it, ever. It's $60 for 3 meals for 2 people, but most of those meals you can get 3 meals for 3 people. But I would never spend 60 bucks on this meal. But you guys have a deal, and if you guys want to try this, I say go for it. You guys click my referral link below. You guys will end up getting $40 off your first box. So you guys will end up paying $19.94 for 3 meals for 2 people. That is a great, great, great deal. I would definitely recommend that. And that comes out to be, like, if you guys really think about 3 meals, that comes out to be like $3 or $4 a person for each meal. Probably not even less, maybe even less than that. So, like, every time you guys go even to McDonald's, you guys will end up spending, like, what, $6 a person for maybe for your meal, or a Happy Meal's $3. Here, right here, you can get 3 meals for the same price, and it's a little bit healthier for you. So, definitely click the referral link below. You guys just join it, and I say just try it. You don't have to get it that week. You guys can pick the week that you want. But join it and then just cancel it. It's awesome. I would definitely recommend doing it. So I'm just gonna dig in and share with you guys what I got. Now I didn't make a cooking video like I had in the past, but I still need to post this. But the husband and I made the 3 meals for my last box that I had, and I actually made a video of what each meal looks like and tastes like. So I will be posting that soon. But this box, I'm super excited. I forgot what I ordered, because you guys can go like 4 weeks in advance of what you guys choose to eat. So husband and I were super excited. Another great thing about this is I've been trying stuff that I've never tried before. Like, I've never tried couscous before. I've never tried creamed kale. There's a couple other things that I've never tried before, and this subscription box is getting me to try new things. Another positive thing about this is they give you the recipe cards. So if you guys ever want to make those meals again, you guys can go out and go shopping and get those meals and make that meal all over again. Or you can just wait till they have it again on the box. But, you know, it's nice to have new meals to cook instead of the same old boring stuff. So I'm just going to dig in and share with you guys what I got. So the first thing we got, and I think this is what the husband wanted, is the Korean beef bibimbap. It is, I don't even know. I probably won't even like this, but this is what he chose. So I'm like, you know what? I'll eat it. It's got carrots in there, which I'm not a big fan about, and it's got zucchini, which I'm not a big fan about. But everything else, I guess I would try. I love mushrooms, so we'll try that. And that takes about 10 minutes to prep and 30 minutes to cook, and it's only 810 calories. So they give you like the instructions on here. Another one that I'm actually kind of excited to try is the Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti with tomatoes and Parmesan. I do not like tomatoes. I'll eat, like, you know, small stuff like and pizza, but I won't eat this. But this is actually something I will try. I'm actually gonna try it. I'm pretty excited about it, but it, you know, it looks pretty decent. So we're gonna try that. And then the next one, this one we had to pay an extra $5 for, which I'm okay with because it's sometimes nice. But it's pan-seared duck breast. I've had duck one time. I don't remember what it tastes like. I think it tasted okay. I lived. But I'm just afraid to try duck. I don't know why. I just kind of cringe at thinking about that. So this has potatoes in it and duck breast and asparagus. I am not an asparagus person, but you know what? I'll try it. I'll try it. So that is that. And then they give you always what is all in the items to cook. So those are what the week is. And I swear I picked something else, but I will have to look and see what I got, because I don't remember picking the Korean beef unless the husband picked it. But they always give you coupons. This is just dinner to lunch. What is this? Dinner to lunch. It's a burrito on the go. I don't know what this is. I'll have to look at it. So, and then they give you like a little envelope. It looks like my husband may have opened this already. He gets super excited. But here they gave me a, oh, now they got a HelloFresh wine. I don't even know what that is. the wine club. You can get $45 off your first box of wine. I wish I liked wine. But receive 6 bottles delivered to your door monthly. Oh, I don't know how much the first box costs, but I'm gonna maybe try that. I wish I liked wine. And then they gave you Grays. I've tried Grays before. I'm not a big fan of it. So let's just dig in. So they always give you, or this isn't actually a different box. In the past, they've given you a box that's got like stuff inside it. Here, they've given you like a bubble paper thing. So they have changed their packaging, but I can already smell the food. So this looks like it is a pan-seared duck breast. So inside this box, they give you everything that you need. So it has the, I don't think it has, no, it doesn't have the meat in it, but it's got like all the vegetables and the seasonings and stuff right in this box. And then sometimes you, or the bag, and sometimes you just need to add a couple little things, you know, here and there. The next thing I have is the Tuscany sauce, or Tuscan sausage and pepper spaghetti. And then the next one we got is the Korean beef. I don't even know how to pronounce that word. The bippity boppity boo. That's what we're going to call it. And then on the very bottom, they give you a nice little, mine's been kind of sitting out. I got this delivered like an hour or two ago, but I didn't unbox it right away. They always give you a nice ice pack. Now I save these to use for our cooler. And then there's another one on the bottom. So I got 2 ice packs. So here is the premium. So this is what we paid a little bit extra for, but this is the duck. So, you know, you got that going on right there. Here we got the, it's all slippery. Now they do have vegetarian meals too, if you guys are interested in vegetarian meals. The Italian pork sausage. And then this still has frost on it. That's how crazy it is. And this is just the regular ground beef. So that's all the meat that we got, and then the stuff that you get in the bag. So yes, I would highly recommend, if you guys want to try something new, definitely join HelloFresh. You click my referral link below. You guys can get your first 3 meals, all what I showed you literally. Well, this one's cost $5 more, but you guys can either get it for $19.94 or $24.94. So you guys can choose, but I think that's a very great deal to try something new. And then once you guys like it, you can always, you know, buy those ingredients and buy it again. So I'm super excited to share with you guys, and I will be making a video showing you guys what all these meals look like once they're cooked. So I just wanted to share with you guys on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed these HelloFresh videos. I love sharing with you guys other savings on money for food than just, you know, couponing and stuff. And it's a great way to eat healthy, a little bit better than all that junk food that we get from couponing. But please give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys all later when I show you guys all what we cooked with our HelloFresh meals. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye.